How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can connect your R36S to your Wi-Fi. Now, as we have known that there is no built-in Wi-Fi connectivity for our console, so we need external hardware in order to make this work. The first one is going to be this tool right here. This is going to be the Wi-Fi dongle or the Wi-Fi adapter. And in order to connect it to our console, we also need another adapter called the USB to USB-C. So after plugging it in, it will simply look something like this, where you plug in the adapter first, and then you plug in the Wi-Fi dongle. Right after, head over to settings or options, and there will be this Wi-Fi setting right here. So just navigate through that option, and then you have the ability to select which Wi-Fi you want to connect to. And basically, that's how you do it. And this way, we're able to simply update our firmware easily, update our games, and basically do a bunch more things. And so, guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.